Good evening, Father Saleen Joseph, all admin panel members, and all my friends. I'm THRESIA, one of the OET aspirant from Edu Skills family. Would like to explain you some tips and strategies from reading part C from Father's video. After listening the Father's video, I felt that I like to share something what I understood from reading part C. As everybody is having the difficulty in reading part C, even I also have the difficulty. So I have taken as a challenge to explain small tips and strategies which I understood. According to that, when you practice, you will be able to defeat the time. First and foremost, in the reading part C, as everybody knows that it has got two parts. Then mainly it has to number. We have to number the text. As soon as we have to number the paragraph according to the text. Then the questions will be asked according to that. Then check for the views and the opinions of the writer. Always do that. Otherwise there won't be any connections. Many answers will be given in the text because it is a vast one. So we may find it difficult. We may fail to answer the appropriate questions, get the appropriate answer for the appropriate questions. Then we have to check for the learn to eliminate the absolute expressions. Absolute expressions are all, none, never. These are the absolute expressions. If they are in the answers, we see that it is 99%. That won't be the answer. So we can eliminate it confidently. So that we should be very careful. Learn like that. So then I hope now everyone might have learned all these tips. Because we are getting very good and enough time in the platform to express or to clarify our doubts. So once again I am giving you just a review, and it is a reminder when you do to defeat our time. Then we have to eliminate absolutes. Then also we have to the reference. If the question is according to the reference from the writer, we have to search for that in the text. The references and switchback sentences, switchback words, that is the reference. That the person will be referring something with the other. So that can be that might have been enlightened that person because of that reason. Then it can be due to emotional thing, or so any subjective agreements also can be checked for. So during that in the text you have to search for all those things. Then synonyms, synonymous language, paraphrasing, then modal verbs, scale, contrast words, and all these things. And then negative meanings, all these things we have to check for it. If the contrast word, that is however, the contrast word is there in the answer and in the question, we have to answer. In the text, after the contrast word there will be the answer. So always look for that. So when you do the skimming and scanning, you have to underline the keywords, that everybody knows. So when you underline the keywords, you can understand. You might have been gone through this also. So you might have underlined the however, the scales, all the things. Then according to that, go through. Then we will be able to defeat our time. Don't waste your time going through from the beginning till the end the question. And also, if you don't get one answer, skip the question, go for another question. Then you can defeat our time. You can reach and complete all the questions according to the task is given. So according to the time is given. Then another thing is that I have told already synonyms and all those things. Then if in the name is given, if any name of the organization or the person or disease condition is given in the question, you have to go for that immediately in the text. Then you can read it out and get it back immediately, and so you can defeat your time. Go for that mainly. Then also another thing is that always the then main clause and the independent clause. In the main clause there won't be answer. The independent clause always the answer will be there. Then always check for the opinion of the writer. Then another thing is that trap the familiarities. You have to trap. Familiarities means you know everything. So I know everything. Since we are in the medical field, we know everything, but we don't know what the writer and the opinion of the writer, what is given in the test. So we have to read properly and get the answer. So that is what trap the familiarities. So according to that, we have to move to. So I thank all this. I hope you understood that at least some small tips and strategies which I have listened the video and I understood from father's video. I thought I can share with you all just as a reminder, as a review. So I hope it is a correct thing, and if any corrections are there means you can also correct me, and if it is a good thing you can encourage me to. If anybody is having any doubts regarding this, you can ask in the main platform, or if you have any grammar, any help for any grammar or anything there, I can also help, because those who need to learn any grammar, we need to make sentences like, I can also help you all, and mainly any doubts are there and you can ask in the main platform. So thank you very much for giving me this golden opportunity to explain this to you all as a reminder, just a reminder, not a advice. So thank you very much once again.